we'll guide you through how to fix a common problem in Google Docs where the document isn't loading or displaying correctly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Chrome on your desktop, as it's the most compatible browser for Google Docs. Now, go to the upper right corner and click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down, select More Tools, and then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select All Time as the time range, and check the boxes for cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Click Clear Data to proceed. Once that's done, close and reopen Chrome to refresh your session. Next, go to docs.google.com and open the document that's causing issues. If it still isn't working, you may need to disable any browser extensions that could be interfering. Go to the three-dot menu again, select More Tools, and then Extensions. Here, you can toggle off any extensions you suspect might be causing problems, especially those related to ad blocking or privacy. After disabling these, refresh your Google Docs page to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, ensure your browser is up to date by going to the Help menu under About Google Chrome, and it will automatically check for updates. Finally, if all else fails, try using an incognito window to open Google Docs. This can help bypass any cache or cookie-related issues. To open an incognito window, click on the three-dot menu and select New Incognito Window. Then navigate to Google Docs and try accessing your document again. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.